No stairs to climb. A single-story home removes one of the most overlooked hazards in a typical house, the staircase, and with it goes a whole category of daily risk that grows more serious with age. Falls on stairs are one of the leading causes of injury among older adults, and even a healthy person in their 60s can find a steep staircase more tiring than they expected once knees and hips start to protest. Builders have known for generations that single-level homes reduce this risk simply by design, not by any added safety feature bolted on afterward. There's nothing to trip on between floors, nothing to carry laundry baskets or grocery bags up and down, and no worry about a slick step during a rainy week. For retirees planning decades ahead rather than just the next few years, this single structural choice quietly removes a problem before it ever has the chance to become one. Single-level bedroom and bathroom access. Keeping every bedroom and bathroom on the same floor as the kitchen and living areas might sound like a small convenience, but it changes daily life in a real way. Nobody has to plan trips up and down a staircase around bathroom breaks in the middle of the night, and there's no awkward moment of deciding whether it's worth the climb just to grab a forgotten item. This layout also matters enormously if mobility changes over time, since a wheelchair or walker can move freely between every room without ever facing a staircase as an obstacle. Two-story homes often try to solve this by adding a bedroom downstairs as a retrofit, but that usually means giving up a home office or dining room, and the result rarely feels like it was designed with that purpose from the start. A single-story plan solves this from day one, with every room already positioned exactly where it needs to be. Wider hallways and doorways. Because single-story homes don't need to squeeze a staircase into the floor plan, architects often have more freedom to widen hallways and doorways throughout the rest of the house. This becomes especially valuable for anyone using a walker, cane, or wheelchair, since narrow door frames that felt perfectly normal in a home someone built at 30 can suddenly feel impossibly tight decades later. Many retirement-focused single-story designs now build to accessibility standards from the very beginning, with doorways wide enough for mobility aids and hallways that allow two people to pass comfortably. It's a detail most people never think about until they need it, and by then it's an expensive and disruptive renovation rather than something built into the walls from the start. Planning for this early, even for someone who feels perfectly capable today, tends to save both money and stress later on. Zero-step entry. Getting into the house itself is often the first accessibility challenge a homeowner runs into, and single-story homes make it far easier to solve. Without a raised foundation built to clear a basement or accommodate stairs leading up to a front door, builders can create an entrance that sits level with a driveway or a short, gently sloped walkway. This kind of zero-step entry matters more than people expect, since even a few inches of elevation change can become genuinely difficult with a cane, walker, or wheelchair, especially in icy or rainy weather. Older homes rarely offer this without significant retrofitting, often requiring a ramp addition that can look and feel like an afterthought bolted onto the original design. A single-story home built with this in mind from the beginning avoids that entirely, blending accessibility into the architecture rather than adding it as a visible modification later. Curbless showers and accessible bathrooms. Bathroom design tends to be one of the biggest safety concerns in any home built for aging in place, and single-story layouts make it much easier to design bathrooms properly from the start. A curbless, walk-in shower removes the small ledge that traditional shower stalls require, which eliminates a common tripping hazard and makes entry far easier for anyone using a shower chair or walker. Wider bathroom doorways, strategically placed grab bars, and slip-resistant flooring round out a space designed with long-term use in mind, rather than simply following whatever layout looked good in a builder's showroom. These features don't need to look clinical or institutional either, since modern accessible bathroom design has moved well past that outdated look towards something that feels like a genuine spa retreat. Retirees choosing this kind of home often find that safety and style aren't actually in conflict the way older accessible designs once suggested. Lower long-term maintenance. A single-story home tends to involve less physical maintenance work over time, partly because there's no need to climb a ladder to clean gutters on a second story or repaint trim far above ground level. Roof repairs, window cleaning, and exterior upkeep all become simpler and safer tasks when everything sits closer to the ground. This matters for retirees who want to remain independent and handle small projects themselves without relying on a contractor for every minor task, And it also matters for anyone eventually hiring outside help, since single-story maintenance work is generally quicker and less expensive to complete. Insurance companies and contractors alike tend to view single-story homes as lower risk simply because fewer tasks require the same level of physical exertion or fall risk that comes with ladders and elevated work. Over the span of a retirement, these smaller savings and reduced physical demands add up considerably. Easier emergency evacuation. In the event of a fire, medical emergency, or natural disaster, getting out of a single-story home quickly is dramatically simpler than navigating a staircase under stress. Every window and door offers a direct path outside without needing to descend from an upper floor, which matters enormously if someone in the household has limited mobility or relies on any kind of medical equipment. Fire departments and emergency planners have long noted that evacuation time increases significantly with each additional floor, particularly for anyone who can't move quickly on their own. For retirees living alone, or couples where one partner has more mobility challenges than the other, this single factor often becomes one of the most practical reasons to choose a single-story layout. It's not something anyone wants to think about often, but having that straightforward exit path built into the home's design offers a real kind of peace of mind. Reduced heating and cooling costs. Single-story homes often prove more efficient to heat and cool than their multi-story counterparts, partly because warm air doesn't rise away from living spaces into an unused upper floor the way it does in a two-story house. With everything contained on one level, a single well-designed HVAC zone can maintain consistent comfort throughout the home without the temperature imbalances that often plague multi-level houses, where upstairs bedrooms run warmer in summer and downstairs rooms stay chilly in winter. For retirees living on a fixed income, this efficiency translates directly into lower monthly utility bills, which matters over the course of many years far more than it might in the short term. The simpler duct layout required for a single floor also tends to mean fewer long-term maintenance issues with the HVAC system itself, since air doesn't need to travel as far or work as hard to reach every room evenly. Open sight lines between rooms. Many single-story floor plans embrace open, connected layouts that allow someone to see from the kitchen into the living room, or from a home office toward the front entry, without walls or staircases blocking the view. This isn't just a stylistic choice, since it plays a real role in daily safety and connection, allowing a retiree to keep an eye on a spouse in another room, notice a delivery at the front door, or simply feel less isolated while moving through daily routines. Two-story homes naturally lose this kind of connectivity, since anyone upstairs is essentially cut off from anyone downstairs unless they're calling out or walking to check. For couples navigating different mobility levels, or for adult children checking in on an aging parent living independently, this openness offers both practical safety benefits and a more connected, less isolating way to move through everyday life. Room to age in place without moving again. Perhaps the most significant advantage of a single-story home is one that plays out over years rather than days: the ability to stay in the same house through changing physical circumstances without needing to move to a different property later. Many retirees who choose multi-story homes eventually find themselves forced into a difficult decision once stairs become genuinely unmanageable, often having to sell a home they love and start over somewhere new during a stage of life when moving is exhausting, expensive, and emotionally difficult. A single-story home designed with accessibility already built into its foundation sidesteps that entire dilemma, allowing minor modifications like added grab bars or a walk-in tub to happen naturally over time rather than requiring an entirely new home search. This kind of long-term thinking is exactly why so many retirees, and the architects who design specifically for this stage of life, treat the single-story layout not as a limitation, but as the foundation for genuine independence throughout retirement.